Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. I'm here with another video. So today's wig is brought to you by Rechoo. Okay, this is Rechoo, as you can see by the pretty packaging. You're also inside the packaging. There's going to be a card with the website information, email, anything you may need is on there. Also, how to take care and maintain your wig information is here. In case you don't know what you're doing, it's definitely vital if you want to maintain the longevity of your wig, and you're also getting a wig cap. So we're gonna dive right in. Okay, sis. Okay. So today's wig is going to be the Italian curly wig. I'm about to take her out so you guys can see straight out of the packaging. No wash, co-washed, or nothing. This is just the hair straight out the packaging. So the density on this wig is 250%. It's very full and it's very thick, and y'all gonna see this in the next upcoming clip. This hair was very, very soft straight out the packaging, and the curl pattern was amazing. I'm just running my hands through it, just to, give her a little run through to see what we're working with. So, the lace is a 13x6 lace. That's ear to ear. You may have to cut some off. As you guys can see here in this clip, I'm placing it on the side of my hand so you guys can see that it's natural. It looks so much like scalp, sis. Do you say that? Scalp like. And it's pre-plucked. So if you always had, or if you have or have had an issue with pre-plucked in the past, that would do you justice. I showed you the part, and I will show you again in the previous to come, well, the upcoming clips. I'll show you guys the parting, and it's a 6-inch deep part lace. If you guys have a problem with making parting, making it, look as natural as possible, this wig already comes with the part. You can make a middle part, you can do whatever you want, okay? But if you love middle parts and you have a hard time making it, this wig already comes with that. So that's so freaking amazing, that because I'll be struggling. I don't know what the middle is. But I'm showing you guys the hair application. I figured out that cutting your lace with the eyebrow razor, it makes the lace more realistic because the lines are not sharp. You have a lot of jagged edges, which makes it look more natural and not too straight and fake. So I really, really love that technique that I've seen. And I think I seen it on Ali for Lexi's channel, or I seen it on her Instagram, where she gave me that tip, and I was like, yes. Well, she posted the tip of that. So anyway, I'm just showing you guys that technique, and I really, really think it helps with cutting the lace off the wig. Now, as you guys can see, I don't have anything on my head. I did go ahead and remove the excess makeup with alcohol, and when I'm placing this on your head, sis, as you can see, the lace is very, very transparent to the point it looks like scalp already. So I'm super, super excited with that feature of the lace. So now I'm just taking my Got To Be Glue hairspray, and I feel like this technique makes the process very quick. You don't have to wait till it dry. And yeah, I take 2 coatings. If I want it to last longer, I take 2 coatings of spray and then spray it on, blow dry it on a cool heating setting, and then I lay her down, and then I dry her again. So that's just my basic process that I do to, lay my wigs down. I feel like I said, it's very easy and it's quick, and you don't have to worry about waiting for it to dry a long period of time. So like I said in the beginning, I did not co-wash the hair. You guys are getting the footage right out of the package. This is what you're going to be working with. So yeah, I'm just going ahead and align this, and I'll be back once I've gotten finished, making sure the wig is nice and secure on my head. All right, so now that the wig is on my head, I'm simply just waiting for it. I just want to make sure the scarf's on. It just lays out a little bit. So we're just going to comb out and detangle the hair so I can, get ready for my, what is it? I forgot what it's called. My routine. I can't think today. I don't know why, but I'm getting ready for that routine. But before we go ahead and put water on it and define the curls and things like that, I wanted to go in and make my baby hairs. And as you guys can see, when I'm parting this hair, y'all, doesn't it look just like scalp? Like, sis, it's just scalp for days. Like, it's so natural. And like I said, I didn't put any foundation on it. I just put hairspray on it, and it looks so freaking natural, like it's growing straight out of my head, and I just love it. I just freaking love it. Like, no foundation needed, sis. No foundation needed. So yeah, I just sprayed my brush again with the hairspray to make my baby hairs. Sometimes I don't want my baby's hair stuck, and I know sometimes it looks a little fake. So this way it doesn't have that hardness, but then it's still soft at the same time and look realistic. I love baby hairs because it makes it looks, I don't know, baby hair and curly hair just go, okay, and just really go. So alright, so I'm just going in and fixing up the part just a little bit. It did get kind of lost in the mix as I was applying it, but as you guys can see, there is a part, and the part goes back as far as 6 inches. Okay, 6 inches is deep, and that just looks real, very realistic, and I just love how the parting looks. So I did go ahead and take some concealer though, however, and put it on the part one, the concealer to be extra. You don't really need it. This is not a necessary step, but that's what I did. I'm gonna go ahead and do my curly hair routine, and that is pretty much it. So yeah, also, if you are interested through there, but if you're interested in purchasing this hair for yourself, don't forget to check out the description section below. All the information regarding this hair will be listed down there as well. I do have a coupon a coupon code for you guys as well, which is my name, TEI. So if you use that code, you can save money off up your purchase. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, share this video with your family, your friends, anyone who needs some good hair and also wants to learn, you know, a quick way of installing your wigs on the logo, because it's very cheap to install your wig. You don't have to go to no salon or anything like that. So yeah, overall, I love the wig. It was minimum shedding, minimum tangling, and y'all, this wig's just bomb.com. So yeah, again, thank you guys so much for watching, and until my next video, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.